Stepping into the Maverick's cabin, you're probably not expecting a luxurious experience, and you shouldn't be because you're not going to find one here. The steering wheel is leather wrapped, feels fine, pretty normal. However, just about everything else in here is hard plastic, from the center console to this panel to the dash. The seat fabric does feel fine, feels durable, but this is not a luxurious place to be, and given how expensive some of the Maverick trims can get, it'd be nice if there were a few more soft touch materials around the cabin.